Students, today we will discuss on the molecular orbital picture and resonance structure of ozone, that is furan. Now, in this case, all the carbon atoms and oxygen atoms in furan undergo sp2 hybridization. When all these carbon and oxygen atoms undergo sp2 hybridization, there is the formation of three sp2 hybrid orbitals for the carbon atoms, also for the oxygen atoms. Now, the second point is the sp2 hybrid orbital of one carbon can overlap with sp2 hybrid orbital of another carbon to form a sigma bond between carbon and carbon by sp2 overlap. So this is the second point. The sp2 hybrid orbit of one carbon can overlap with sp2 hybrid orbit of another carbon to form a sigma bond between carbon and carbon by sp2 overlap. Now third point, the remaining one sp2 hybrid orbit of each carbon can overlap with half-filled 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Half-filled 1s orbital of hydrogen to form a sigma bond between this carbon and hydrogen by sp2s overlap. So this is the formation of sigma bond between carbon and hydrogen. This is the sigma bond formation between carbon and carbon. So this is the third point. Now, unhybridized 2pz orbit of each carbon. Unhybridized 2pz orbit of each carbon atom with one electron containing one electron remains perpendicular to the trigonal planar sp2 hybridized carbon. That is, this unhybridized 2pz orbit. Unhybridized 2pz orbit of each carbon remains perpendicular to the trigonal planar sp2 hybridized carbon. So this is the fourth point. Now, fifth point, in the furan, the oxygen atom also undergoes the sp2 hybridization. There is a formation of three sp2 hybrid orbits. Out of these three sp2 hybrid orbits, two sp2 hybrid orbits can overlap with sp2 hybrid orbit of carbon atom to form a sigma bond between carbon and oxygen by sp2 overlap. Out of these three sp2 hybrid orbits, these two sp2 hybrid orbit of oxygen can overlap with sp2 hybrid orbit of this carbon atom to form the sigma bond between the carbon and oxygen by sp2 orbit, sp2 overlap. Now, the remaining one sp2 hybrid orbit containing two electrons remains unshared. The third sp2 hybrid orbit of this oxygen atom containing two electrons remains unshared, which contains a pair of electrons. So these three sp2 hybrid orbit of oxygen atoms two can take part in the sigma bond formation and one remains the unpaired. Now, this unhybridized 2pz orbit of carbon and unhybridized 2pz orbit of oxygen atom. This unhybridized 2pz orbit of oxygen atom containing 2 electrons, which is laterally or sidewise overlap with the unhybridized 2pz orbit of each carbon atom. This unhybridized 2pz orbit of oxygen atom containing unhybridized 2pz orbit of oxygen atom containing 2 pi electrons or 2 electrons can overlap with unhybridized 2pz orbit of carbon atom containing single atoms to form such type of pi electron cloud above and below the plane of the ring, and therefore these 4 electrons of carbon atom and 2 electrons of oxygen atom total to 6 electrons are formed, and therefore the sextet of aromatic sextet is completed by this furon. That is, the aromatic sextet is completed by this furon, and therefore this pi electron cloud is obtained above and below the plane of the ring, and aromatic sextet is formed. Thus, due to this formation of aromatic sextet, this furon undergoes this furon obeys the Huckel rule. This furon obeys the Huckel rule. Obeys Huckel rule. That is 4n plus 2 pi. Now this is the Huckel rule, and this is the obeys the furon due to their aromatic sextet formation. So this is the formation of sigma bond formation and pi bond formation in furon, and this is the formation of pi electron cloud of 6 2pz electrons. Now, we can study the resonance structure of furon. Now, this is the resonance structure of ozone hydrogen furon. Now, the oxygen containing the 2 lone pair of electrons, this one which can take part in the bond formation, and another second is the 2pz orbit of oxygen atom containing 2 pi electrons. Out of this is in the delocalizing form. This electron will transfer in between this carbon and oxygen to form the double bond here, and this bond is transferred here, and this bond is transferred on this carbon atom to form here negative charge. Similarly, this bond is transferred on this, and this bond is transferred here, and this electron will transfer here to form the third structure. Okay. Now from this third structure, we can transfer this bond to here to form the electron here. Or this electron gets transferred here, and this one is transferred here to form this structure. Again, we can transfer this double bond and this carbon to form this lone pair here, this lone pair here. Okay, so we'll get this structure. So this is the resonance structure of ozone. Now, the resonance energy of furon is 60 kilocalories per mole, which is less than that of benzene, and therefore furon will be expected as it is to be behave as diene as well as aromatic compound. So why furan is expected to behave as diene as well as aromatic compound? Because this furan having the resonance energy 16 kilocalorie per mole, which is less than that of benzene. Therefore, it behaves as a diene as well as aromatic compound. Now, the furan having tendency to undergo the second and fifth position. Now, this is the first number is given to oxygen. Furan has tendency to undergo the second and third position. The number is starting from this oxygen atom 1, 2, 3, this is 4 and 5. So this negative charge at the second position. This is the second position and this is the fifth position. Therefore, furan undergoes the second and fifth position in the electrophilic substitution reaction rather than this third and fourth position. And this is explained by taking the example of first, second and third structures. So, this from this resonance structure, this furan is behave as diene as well as aromatic compound due to the less resonance energy than benzene. And second point is that the furan undergoes the substitution reaction at second and fifth position rather than this third and fourth position. So this is the resonance structure of oxygen. So this is the molecular orbital picture and resonance structure of furan. Complete. Okay, thank you.